This is AUTEL EVO II Pro, and today I'll show how you can enable, disable and manage the auxiliary bottom lights or indicators on this drone. At the start, launch the AUTEL Explorer app and enter the camera feed. Here at the top right corner of the display, look for the cog icon to launch settings. Now, inside the settings, select the visual navigation category, scroll this page down, and look for the auxiliary bottom light. Now tap here, and you can, switch those lights off. You can put them on. You can switch them to auto mode, make them flash with 1 second delay, I would assume, or flash with 2 second intervals, or at least that's how it should work, but it stays static anyway. So as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.